I'll now show you how to connect your Redarc Manager battery charging system to your Egon DC hub. The load positive cable from the Manager goes to the auxiliary battery positive cable on the DC hub. The load negative on the Manager goes to auxiliary battery negative on the DC hub. The solar panel on the Manager goes to the solar input on the DC hub. And the vehicle symbol for the start battery goes to the charger input on the DC hub. The next thing you need to do is you connect your start battery to the DC hub. Please use a fuse at the start battery, and then your start battery positive goes into start battery positive on the DC hub. Your start battery negative goes to start battery negative on the DC hub. That way, your Manager and your start battery are automatically interconnected. You will also take your unregulated solar positive and negative to this connector where it says unregulated solar positive and negative, and as soon as you've connected there, it is automatically connected to the Manager 30. On the other side now, for your house battery, you want to put your house auxiliary or secondary battery positive through appropriate fuse for the DC hub, that is a 150 amp fuse, to the DC hub house battery input where it's marked positive. On the negative side, to incorporate the shunt, you will run a cable from your house battery negative to battery negative on the shunt, and from there you go directly to this connector where it's marked negative for the house connection on the DC hub, and that way your secondary or house battery is connected to your Manager, your shunt is wired in the right way, your start battery is connected, your solar is connected, and everything will be working. For this installation, it is really important that nothing else gets connected to battery negative. The only place where you can connect other loads to the battery is either on this side of the shunt or somewhere on the board. That way you're already done with wiring your Manager 30 to the DC hub.